In this video, we will do the data modeling using the entity relationship model. We will consider the following set of data requirements for a university database that is used to keep track of students' transcripts. We will design and draw an ER diagram for this application. We will specify key attributes of each entity type and structural constraints on each relationship type. Any unspecified requirements, we will make appropriate assumptions to make the specification complete. So requirement 1, the university keeps track of each student's name, student number, social security number, current address and phone, permanent address and phone, birth date, sex, class, freshman, sophomore, graduate, major department, minor department if any, and degree program, BA, BS, PhD. So let's draw this entity and the attributes using Draw.io. So we have a student entity over here, and we have student name, student number, social security number, current address and current phone, permanent address and permanent phone, degree program, and we have birth date, sex and class, and student name. And the next requirement, some user applications need to refer to the city, state, and zip of the student's permanent address. So let's have a look. So student's permanent address, we will have city, zip, state, and zip attributes. Next requirement, enter the student's last name. So for the student's name, we will take record of first name, middle name, and the last name. Both social security number and student number have unique values for each student. So social security number and the student number becomes the key attributes. So we will underline them. Next requirement, each department is described by a name, department code, office number, office phone, and college. So let's have a look. So department entity, we have department name, department code, department office, department phone, and college. Both name and code have unique values for each department. So department name and department code have unique values, so they are the key attributes, and we will underline them. Next entity. Each course has a course name, description, course number, number of semester hours, level, and offering department. So we will have course, course name, semester hours, and what else? Description, course number. So we have this course description, course number, and number of semester hours, level. So number of semester hours and level, and offering department. So offering department will be a relationship because department is already an entity. The value of course number is unique for each course. So course number is unique, so we will underline that, and that becomes the key attribute. So the next requirement, each section has an instructor, semester, year, each section has an instructor, semester, year, and a course and section number. Course and section number. So course can be derived from the course entity that we formed, and section number. So section number is an attribute here, and the section number distinguishes different sections of the same course that are taught during the same semester or year. So semester, year, and section number. So they are the attributes of a partial key. Its values are 1, 2, 3, and so on, up to the number of sections taught during each semester. So those are the partial key values all combined. And next, a grade report. A grade report has a student, section. So a grade report has a student. So we have a student entity here, and a section. So we have section entity here, and letter grade and numeric grade. So letter grade and numeric grade, they together form the key attribute. So here we have double lines surrounding a double rectangle. So for section, because section is a weak attribute, a weak entity, because it could be derived from course. Okay. So now we look at the relationship. So each student has a major department and a minor department, and each student has one major department and maximum of one department. And minor department, minimum could be 0 and maximum could be 1. Remember, when we look at the restriction here, minor department if any. So 0 minimum and maximum. Each department has 0 students associated with major department or many students associated with major department. In minor department, each department has 0 student for minor department or many students for minor department. So many is shown by N over here. Here, each department offers no courses, which is 0, or many courses. And each course belongs to one department. It cannot belong to more than one department. So the relationship is department underscore course. And each course has 0 sections or n sections, many sections. And each section, because section is a weak attribute, where the relationship course underscore section is shown by double lines for the relationship. So each section belongs to one course, and each section has 0 grades or many grades. So many grades, so it could be the grades are given by the numeric grade is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the letter grade is F, D, C, B, A. So each section can have 1 grade, 0 grade, or many grade. And each grade can have 0 section. Each grade belongs to 0 section or many section. So 0 and is the relationship. And each student has uh, takes 0 section or many section, so 0n, and each student has gets 0 grade or many grade, so it's shown by 0n. So this is a ternary relationship over here, student underscore section, because we have 0n for student, grade, and entity. The three entities are joined to this relationship.